Hey everybody, this is Okie Twister 66, and today I'm going to introduce you to my new 2022 Chevy Silverado LT Trail Boss. So stick around and we'll do a quick run around and show you a few things on this truck. Thanks for sticking around. So as I said, this is a new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. It does have the Z71 package. It doesn't have all the doodads and bells and whistles that some of the packages have. For example, I did not get the bed protection package. I elected to do that on my own, which I just got the truck back from that, and they did a fantastic job with the spray-in liner. But I picked this truck up at Carter Chevrolet in Okarche, Oklahoma. Highly recommend this dealership. First time I've done business with them. Pricing was great. The people were very friendly. It was a really enjoyable shopping experience. So thumbs up to Carter Chevrolet. So like I said, this has the Z71 package. Let's go a little bit over just a few of the different things. But the tires, they're the 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires. I think they're like a 275, 65, 18, I believe. It's got the good Z71 badging right there. No side steps yet. I've got some on order, and they should be here any day. And we'll get those installed on the truck. I got to have side steps. This one does have a little bit of a lift to it, so makes it easier for an old guy like me to get in and out of the truck. So like I said, it did not have the bed protection package, but I went ahead and had a local spray-in liner, and they did a fantastic job. I'm also probably going to get a hard tonneau cover like I had on my Colorado. I loved it. It was a Gator. It was a retractable hard tonneau cover. Love that thing. So we'll put all that on a video once we get that done. Another thing I'm probably going to do is get some of these wheel well liners for the rear of the truck. So that's what I have immediately planned for the exterior. One of the things that I really liked about the Colorado and I like about the Silverado, these corner steps on the back bumper. Man, that really makes it easy to get in and out of the truck. I love those things, and they come in really handy. As far as the inside of the truck, let's take a look. I did not get the leather package. I did get the cloth seats. It's the first time I've not had leather in a new car in, oh gosh, I can't remember when. But I really like the interior of the truck. Probably can't see it too good without a better lighting source, but man, it's really luxurious. The ride is very comfortable, very smooth, relatively quiet. It's got good power, like I said, with the V8. One of the features that I was not aware of that I really like is this second glove box. Is that cool or what? So you've got that one, and then you got the other glove box down on the bottom. So you got basically two glove boxes like that. That was a neat feature that I was not aware that this truck had. It's also got a really roomy center console storage. I do have the two front bucket seats. It is a 10-speed automatic. It's got a good navigation system and infotainment, I guess you might call it. It's got a lot of bells and whistles on there. Move around to the back. Very roomy cabin. Much more space, leg room, headroom, everything than my Colorado had. Don't get me wrong, I really loved my Colorado. It was a fantastic truck. I had it about 3 years. I was just ready, I guess, for when it was time to change. I just wanted to get a little bit larger, full-size truck. So I'm not disappointed with the interior. The only drawback is there is no little compartment that came with it under the rear seat for storage. Now you can get those aftermarket, but boy, I would have really liked to have had that in the truck, but hey, this one just didn't come with it. We'll take care of that at some point. There she is. That's my 2022 red Silverado Trail Boss. Man, I really love that red color. So once we get a few miles on here, we'll do a little bit more of an in-depth review as to things we like, things we don't like, things we would change, things we definitely keep the same. So hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit me with some comments and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, this is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Have a great day, have fun, and be safe.